But you can see once I'm just on this app, you can connect it to Strava by going to settings and just scrolling down right here and easily connect any of these other applications just to view activities on your homepage like so. Basically what this app does is it's an app that actually analyzes your data so that you can have optimal performance just on your runs. You can see if we click on any of these runs right here, you can actually view any of your heart rate data, your pace, or just any other information just on here in general. With the ideas that you can learn from all of this data that you can just click on and build training plans just around using all of your data, and just know if you're overworking yourself or what you actually need to push yourself to actually get the most out of your running or just activities in sports in general. I've been using it for a little while now, and I honestly like it because it's just so accustomed to your data, and it's just a really easy way to just view the display of data just on this application right here. And you can also label your different workouts so that you can actually learn like whether this was actually a threshold. You can see like at the top it just says it thinks it was a threshold, and you can actually view on this button right here just by rating like how you actually did, whether you did good, amazing, or like, you know, really bad. And you can basically just have your coach fill out this, or just your friend, so that you can actually learn your data with yourself and with just everyone. And you can actually compare a bunch of your races and just activities in general on here, and even just view the filtrations just on how hard you've been pushing yourself depending on the month and week and so on.